तो हनुमान जी को
Happy morning to one and
हाथों
all
सीधे
present over
नवनिधि
here.
प्राप्त
I
किए
am
हनुमान
Master
जी को
Anwesh
उनके
Das
लिए
of class
कोई भी
8.
रूप बना सकता।
Today, I am honored to stand for you to speak about one of the most cherished and widely celebrated festival, Diwali. Diwali is very beautiful festival of lights, joy and tradition. It is a time when we all come together to celebrate the triumph of light over darkness, good over evil and knowledge over ignorance. My dear friends, Diwali, also known as Festival of Lights, typically falls on autumn season and is celebrated with immense enthusiasm throughout India. The festival spans 5 days of festivities, with each day holding its own significance. The first day, known as Dhanteras, marks the beginning of Diwali. It is the day for celebrating prosperity and wealth. The second day is Choti Diwali or Naraka Chaturdasi. It commemorates the victory of Lord Krishna over the demon Narakasura. The third day is the main Diwali day. People decorate their home with oil, candles, different beautiful designs of rangoli, etc. on this day. The fourth day is the Govardhan Puja, which signifies the lifting of Govardhan hill by Lord Krishna. The fifth and the final day is Bhai Dooj, a day dedicated to the bond between siblings. My dear friends, moreover, Diwali transcends the religious and cultural boundaries. It is the festival that is celebrated by people of different faiths, emphasizing the message of unity in diversity. Friends, let us all strive to carry the spirit of Diwali in our hearts and spreading love, light and happiness not only during this festival but also throughout the year. Wishing you all a very happy Diwali. Thank you. Have a nice day.